This is a story about a line. This line. But also a story about you, if you bike. So what is this line? Well, it's easy. This is a bike seat post, and the line tells you how much should be in the frame. So it's safe. Safe, not safe. Safe, not safe. So how do they decide what's safe? There are many different bikes used by many different people in many different ways. Some are taking it easy. Others are not. What if I told you that the line is in your imagination? Or might as well be. Exhibit A. Dayhon seat post, 600 millimeters. Minimum insert, 100 millimeters. Exhibit B. Light Pro seat post, 650 millimeters. Minimum insert, 200 millimeters. 2 times the minimum insert? Based on what evidence? I don't have a micrometer, but with a caliper or just eyeballing it, there's nothing in it in terms of the difference between one and the other in thickness. If anything, the Light Pro kind of looks chunkier. So why does it require 2 times the minimum insert? I decided to ask the shop, and they said now, they are not the manufacturer, but I suspect if you find the manufacturer, a fairly small Chinese company, they won't really give you an answer. Why do I say this? Well, let's take a look at a global company. This is the Giant Revolt, a pretty decent aluminium gravel bike with a carbon fork. The fork has holes, so you can put stuff. How much can you put? Well, who knows? If Giant did the math, they could list it in a spec sheet somewhere. I looked and found nothing. I did find lots of people asking questions of this sort online, like on Reddit. Now, if the information is available and clearly provided to users, why are some people asking Reddit? So here's the thing about the minimum insert line. It's often, or perhaps almost always, a guess or an estimate, and perhaps quite a conservative one. Some testing goes into it, sometimes. Not every product or copy product gets tested, and we don't really know what gets tested and how. At least metals and composites are not paper. I did a short tour with the Ortlieb Quick Rack loaded with 40 kilograms, 2 times the rack's limit, attached to a Dayhon seat post above the minimum insert. Nothing broke. And you might go, yeah, well, if you keep going like this, maybe it will break. Maybe. But when we start talking like this, maybe we're going toward the realm of speculation and not science. Materials can break, can be damaged over time. But are they getting damaged or not? I'll agree about going twice the limit on the rack. But a bit out on the seat post, which I've done for years actually. So what's the solution? Regulation, strict standards, testing, etc.? I'm not sure it would work. A car is designed as a complete system. A bike is designed, perhaps, as whatever parts are lying around the warehouse or somebody's home. They may be great parts, or they may be Shimano Holotech cranks. And if we have regulation, what will happen to the cottage industry? All kinds of people making small bicycle parts, accessories, even building their own frames. I don't know. But if I have something to say, it's that we should pay attention to maintenance, checking that the things we use are in good order.